Oh, the wildfires in northeast Kansas are mostly contained tonight. Controlled burns continue, and that means lingering smoke in the air. 13's Madison Bickley's in our newsroom. She spoke with the Kansas Department of Health and Environment to see how it's been assessing the air quality and what's to come. Madison.
David, KDHE states that ozone standards for air quality sit around 75, and Topeka has been running between 30 and 35 following last week's wildfires. All of this to say that the air quality, while it isn't great, could be worse.
Both fires are attributing to poor air quality, especially early in the morning where we get additional humidity.
Continued smoke from controlled burns and wildfires in Topeka, Pottawatomie, Riley, and Marshall counties is taking a toll on our air quality.
It's called an inversion, and the inversion puts essentially the smoke nearer to the ground than we would see it generally.
The Kansas Department of Health and Environment Director for the Bureau of Air, Rick Brunetti, says they keep track of the air quality on the hour.
Our Topeka monitor monitors for three things. We monitor for ozone. Typically it's called smog. People would notice smog. And we also monitor for particulate matter, coarse particulate matter, and fine particulate matter. What we are seeing in Topeka the last several days is that the air quality has been measuring about 1/3 to 1/2 of the national ambient air quality standard.
Brunetti recommends staying inside a well-ventilated place, specifically if you're in the midst of lingering smoke or are sensitive to the elements. And while the winds can reignite a flame, they're also aiding in clearing the skies.
We have seen steady and at sometimes very brisk winds during the last several days, and of course that is going to increase the quality of the air for us as well, and anything essentially downwind of where the source is.
West of Topeka, officials in the Flint Hills are also continuing to monitor the areas affected, but it seems there is a silver lining to the clouds of smoke.
All in all, for northeast Kansas, we have done fairly well in regards to the quality of the air with all of the impacts that we have seen in the last week.
We will keep you up to date on the containment of the wildfires, both on air and on our website.
And see it when you drive through town. Madison, appreciate the